Alright, so today on Marketplace, somebody was posting a ton of, well, like 8 storage units. So instead of auctioning off the storage units like places usually do, they just put them online for free, and it's really close to my house. So they were asking people to come and pick one, well, get one, and then if you clear it out real good, next time they'll keep you on a list and let you know, and then hopefully you'll get another one. So I decided to do it. We have to clear it out by 9 tonight. I don't know which one we have. I don't know which unit we're getting yet, so we will just wait and see. I'm about to get the code, and then I'm really excited to see what we get. I know one looked like it only had like a couch and a couple little things, but most of them had quite a few things. Some of them had a ton, and I'm kind of hoping I don't get the one with a ton because I don't know if I have the room, but we'll see. And I have my helper with me today. AJ, say hi.
Hi.
So we'll see what's going on. Okay, so I talked to the lady that, I guess not the one that was talking to me online, but she works here, and she just told me all the numbers of the units that they're getting rid of, and my internet is not working, so I can't look at the pictures that showed which had which in it. We found one of them, and we're gonna open it up, and she said just pick which one I wanted. We're gonna open this one up and see what's in it, so we're gonna do that now. Alright, AJ, can you open it for me? Okay, this one is mainly just furniture. Open it more, please. So I see a couch. I think I don't even know if all the cushions are there for that. This couch is messed up. And then some. I think most of this thing is trash, so I'm going to skip this and hope there's a better one, because I kind of committed to taking at least one. So let's hope there's one I can deal with that's still available. But I don't think I want that one, because that's just trash furniture. I don't think there were even cushions for those gray ones. If there were cushions, those gray ones would be worth money, but I don't want that one. So let's on to the next. We're at the next one. Let's see.
It's not a wall.
But it's not locked. Try to open it some more. You can't lift it?
No.
That's the one that's supposed to be open. Here, hold this. It's not locked. Try to pull that over. Okay, now try opening it. Okay, there you go. Alright, let's see. Open it all the way. Push it all the way up and leave it. Alright. Let's see. This looks like someone, I don't know, there's spices, pillows, blankets. What's this over here? Ew, a really gross toaster oven. Pillows, blankets, clothes. Random items. I don't know what this is. A microwave. A lot of bedding stuff. Alright, well, if I have to take one, and this is the best one, then I will. But I'd rather not. So far, this is the best one, though, of the two. Alright, AJ, close it. Alright, open up this one. 2001. Now, this is a big unit with almost nothing in it. A foot wash, a flashlight, a little handheld sewing machine, a few clothes. I mean, this one's mainly trash, but I could, some candles, I could clean this one out if I had to. Alright, let's go to the next one. I should say that these were posted a few days ago, and so this is just what's left. So I'm definitely going to clear out one or two for her so that hopefully she'll call me back. Is it stuck, buddy?
This is really hard.
Okay. Well, this one has quite a bit of things in it. This is kind of more my speed with a lot of stuff to go through. Some of it, I mean, there'll be a lot of trash, but there's a lot to go through here at least. What you smiling at, AJ? Is there anything over there?
No.
No? There's some tubs, there's clothes, laundry baskets, blues blanket. Okay, this is my top one so far. I know it looks a mess, but this is kind of my jam, going through all this stuff and finding the good stuff in there. So, and this wouldn't be too hard to fit all in the SUV in a couple trips. So, I'm kind of thinking maybe we should just get this one. an emergency alert came through on my last video, so I didn't quite get the last part of cleaning up, although I still have to go back and sweep it. I'm waiting for Tony to come with the truck now so we can load the last of the stuff out, because everything's just unloaded, like unlocked, I mean. So I had already boxed everything up, and I didn't want to have someone else come and take what I was getting. AJ, can you open that, please? Okay, Tony's here. I'm just walking up to this other one to see if I can fit this stuff in. Okay. So I think I'm going to come back and try to fit the last bit of this stuff in too.
It's all track.
Okay, he doesn't want this one.
No.
So we're not going to take this one. But he found a different one that's open that wasn't one of the ones the lady told me, but was on the Facebook page. So we're going to go ahead and go over to that one real quick after we finish the one that we were cleaning out. Okay, so we cleared this one out. It's completely empty. I swept it and everything, so she should be happy. I'll message her. Tony saw one that was on the Facebook list that the employee didn't tell me about, but he said it's really packed and there's some good stuff in there, so we're going to go over there. I couldn't tell because I didn't have enough service in order to pull it up. Okay, so Tony found this one, and that was on the Facebook page. Oh, this one we definitely have to unload to come back to.
Broken couch.
Broken couch.
Broken record player.
Okay.
Stainy pissy mattress.
Stained table. An office chair.
Like your couch broken. This couch is broken.
Is that that's a really big fish tank, but it's pretty
It's dirty.
dirty, but it's a
No. It's a
I
no.
think that's a 100-gallon fish tank. I've been wanting some fish, but I'm not sure a whole.
This is a no blocker.
This is a no blocker.
Mm-hmm.
So I found this at the end. It has writing on it, but it looks like it's just a little foldable table that we can use at the garage sales. It's a table.
It does table things.
It does table things. So that's exciting. It has, looks like a teenager put stuff on it. This is a little shelf we'll use
Table
for
on a
garage
shelf, a
sales.
shelf on a table.
So we can put shampoos and stuff on 2 levels. So that'll be good for when we do our garage sales next year. We do huge garage sales at my friend's house. We finished going through everything from the storage units. The most valuable stuff that we'll probably be able to sell is probably the clothes. We got a lot of clothes, and I went through them. I had to throw away like 3/4, but I still had a lot that I will put away for consignment, which is really good because it's winter time now, or almost winter. It's fall, and the consignment shops are looking for winter clothes, and I had almost taken all of my winter appropriate clothes, and I try to take 50 clothes every time because that's their limit. So I'll be good for the next several months. I'm really happy about that. The best stuff, well, I'll show you. There wasn't a ton of great stuff. There's various small things that odds and ends I'll go look through. There's a really old Ford metal keychain. I'm not sure if that's worth anything. Various little things I might keep, like a lighter. This little bracelet lights up. It's a slap bracelet that lights up in the dark. So that's kind of cool. Various other little things. Notebooks that weren't used. Affirmation books that haven't been used. Various little things like that. This is brand new. I opened it up. It's a brand new thermostat in the box. Never been used. So we'll be able to sell that. A few other little things that are brand new that we can sell at garage sales. 2 mini glue sticks, which I'm going to keep because we use glue sticks all the time in my house. A calculator. I think that has the scientific signs, or the, not scientific, it's called a scientific calculator, I think. But usually those are worth a little more, but it needs batteries, so we'll see. This picture, I'm going to have to look at better and take it out. I'm not sure if that's valuable or not. So, it says Mickey Carroll, and it says that that's Mickey Carroll. So, I'm going to look that up. And then, just various little things that were new that can be sold. I'm going to keep the little clips. And tons of hangers that are downstairs. But also just a ton of little plastic containers that they're not all in here, but that we'll be able to use for the garage sale. And that is for art, for sketching, so that's pretty neat. But various little things. It was free though. Oh, we did get like $1 in change and 2 scratch offs that I have to take to the gas station that were winners, but I don't know how old they are, if they're expired or not. I can't find an expiration date, so I'm going to take those tomorrow, but they're like for $2 and one's for $4, so we'll see if they win. But other than that, it was free to get the storage unit. It only took a couple hours of our time. It was only 7 minutes away. And hopefully we'll be able to get another one and maybe get first dibs on one next time she has some. And I'm really hopeful about that because I think they were kind of picked through by the time I found it. But hopefully we can get first dibs next time. So, thanks for joining. Like and subscribe.